Hello data people, DA Vincent Loo in the house again, and today I would like to teach you guys how to have live data view in Power BI.
Connection established.
So how to have Excel live data? All you need to have is three things: Power BI, OneDrive, and Excel. So we must have a link in the Excel using OneDrive, and with that link, we'll load the data into Power BI as a web, and then we will share it to everyone. So let's get started. So first of all, let's create an Excel inside our OneDrive. I already opened up OneDrive here. I just need to right click, New, Excel. And let's name this Excel as Sales for our demonstration. Let's open it up. Now, we just have to have a simple data to test our life. Salesperson, Vincent, Ryan. And let's have their sales amount. Let's make it 150. Just a simple test we'll do. And then we need to access the link. How do we get the link inside the Excel OneDrive? All you have to do is press File, Info, Copy Path. And with this copy path, you have the link. Let's test it out. Now, let's paste this link into our Chrome. So all you have to do is paste. And there you have it. Your Excel as a website. So now we need to access this website inside our Power BI. So let's open up Power BI and then get data web. So now let's paste the URL. So as you can see, the URL is the sales inside our OneDrive. But we would not want this web equals 1 and this question mark here. So let's delete this and then press OK. So now it will load the Excel as a website, and let's load this into our Power BI. Now that we have our data in Power BI, let's make a simple visualization using bar chart, and let's just press sales amount and salesperson to have a simple sales visualization. And let's have data labels so that I can see the amount clearly, with 150 for Vincent and Ryan. So now let's share this report to the web. Everybody can access it. So all you need to do is press publish, and then let's open up a Microsoft Fabric. And there you have it inside Microsoft Fabric. So now let's share it to the public portal web. So all you have to do is press File, Embed Report, Public to Web, and publish it. And now you have this link. Let's copy this link, and there you have it. Now, before we change the data and test the live, we need to set some credentials so that it can access this web. So let's go back to the workspace, which is our live data here. And if you press refresh now, it will show an error. So we need to set the credentials, something like that. So let's open up settings and let's go to credentials, edit credentials, and let's press authentication and press sign. What this does it will sign in and access your OneDrive. So now the web data source is updated, and then you can refresh your data and edit your data anytime, anywhere you want. And then everybody that have the live link can view the data as the latest update. So now let's test the live data. So all you have to do is come back to this Microsoft Excel web, and let's change this to 120. Let's say Vincent increase his sales for the 120, Ryan increase to 200, and then remember to always refresh the Excel web. So let's refresh it, and there we go, 120 and 200. Let's go back to the Power BI Fabric and press refresh so that the data can be updated to the public web. So now the time and date is the latest. Let's go back to here, and now it's 150. Let's refresh it so that it can show the latest data, which is 200 and 120. So there you go. This is how you make live Power BI data. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in a bit.